Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the video effect just for the background in CapCut PC. So if you want to apply the effect only to background without the object in your video or in your photo, it's also super simple. First, for instance, select your videos or photos that you like to edit, and then go to effect and select effect that you like. For example, alright. After run, select the clip and the effect. Right click and select create component clip. Go to media and select the same clip. Put on top another clip, which is make it as an overlay. And then go to cutout or remove the background. You can select chroma key, customize, or auto cutout. But for this clip, I'm going to select the auto cutout. And after that, you can see for the final result. Alright, so you can see the effect only applies to background without the object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.